Welcome back to the Vivid Racing YouTube channel. Today we're adding some bolt-ons to this BMW G80. We're adding an Armytrick exhaust system, Venturi carbon intake, and of course our very own VR-tuned tuning box. Let's get into the action. Before installing anything on the G80, we did get a baseline on the dyno. It roughly made 500 brake horsepower and 480 foot-pounds of torque.
Hey, I'm over here. Look. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like our content, go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and comment below what your favorite M3 is. Let's get back to it.
Installing the intake, exhaust, and giving it that spicy VR tune, it now makes around 660 brake horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. This is a great example of how an intake, exhaust, and tune are a great value add to the G80 platform. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We made some solid gains on this G80 with some simple bolt-ons. Thank you again to Armytrick for the exhaust and Venturi for the intake. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to follow Vivid Racing on everywhere, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!